Hello dear traders, my name is Petko Alexandro from EA Forex Academy. In this lecture I will show you what means the trend with the Bitcoin, how we identify it and why we are looking at the current moment actually only to buy the Bitcoin because simply it's going up, guys. If I go to daily chart, you can see that just today it reached record highs, and we actually had one very good example that I succeeded to record. It was right over here, so you will see it later on in the course. But I will go now to daily, and in this lecture I would like to tell you what means trend and how we identify it with simple words. This is a Dow theory. It was created century ago and it's common till the moment, and it's very useful. We used it a lot in the Forex Academy, and it's useful as for the forex as for the cryptocurrencies. It was created initially for the stocks long time before there was internet even, but these theories and indicators, most of those things were created long time ago, but some of those are applicable to nowadays. And of course, by having the expert advisors, the automated strategies, it's easy to combine them to trade fully automatic or semi-automatically, just what we're doing in this course. So what we care about, guys, is that the trend for the Bitcoin is very strong up, and how we identify it by Dow theory, we have that we are in an uptrend, guys, when we are having series of higher highs and higher lows. So actually I have explained this already in one of my other courses, Bitcoin trading, the never losing formula, and pretty much I will just go over it one more time here for the new guys, for those who don't have the previous course. But anyway, you can go over it just to make sure you're not missing anything. Alright guys, so basically, well, we are having series of high highs and high lows. So let me put just this triangle over here. This is one high. Here actually we have another high. Let me just take another triangle. You can see here was another high. Simply the price formed kind of top, kind of high over here, another one over here, and then we have another one over here. So I will put it as well over there. You can see one here, one was formed here, and then there were new highs here. So all of these guys, these highs forming series of higher highs, meaning that one is higher than the next one, and this one that I will show you just right now is higher than the previous one. Okay, so it's a series of higher highs, and we have two more here. You can see one here, and then we have another one at the end. And just today and the previous days, actually yesterday on Monday, the price formed this huge gap, as you can see here, which normally identifies really strong movement that is coming up, but that's a little bit more about the gaps. I'm not going to talk about that now. So here we can say that we have a high, even not finished, because it can be much higher. I don't know where it will go. Nobody knows. Bitcoin is just surprising us daily, and that's why we are focusing on it, and that's why we are trading on it. Okay, so what we have as well is we have series of higher lows. Okay, let me put another triangles here, so I'm not going to show all of those, but you can easily see we have one here. Don't pay attention, guys, to the form of the triangle that I'm having. I'm just putting it randomly, doesn't really matter. I just want to focus your attention on the highest highs and the highest lows. So one more time, I will pick the shape of a triangle and I will place it over here. So pretty much that's it about, guys. You see series of higher highs and then we have series of higher lows. So this identifies that we are in an uptrend. And since we are in an uptrend, we are looking only to buy the Bitcoin, and we will use the strategy that I will show you in the next lectures and the expert advisor actually that you will receive in this course in order to open for us the trades automatically. So that's quite a difference from my previous course where we are using counter trend lines in order to enter, and you need to spend a lot of time in front of the computer and actually to follow it, and it's pretty nice strategy. I'm still using it, of course, and combined with the never losing system works great. But the idea here is that with this course I want to do it semi-automatically. I want to show you how it could be done, and it's very easy because the expert advisor will open the trade for us, and then we will handle it, and then we will manage the trades. Okay, so we don't need to stay in front of the computer to look when to enter. The expert advisor will do this for us. I will explain you exactly what's behind the expert advisor, what's the strategy there, and combined with this nice trend at the moment that we are having, it's a really great opportunity. I just recorded a couple of hours ago this nice example here where I had another $210 as a profit very easily. So pretty much that's it about, guys. You can watch the trend on daily or on a weekly. Of course, here you will see one huge top here, another one here, one bottom here, and this one can be considered as one huge top. So you can basically do it like that. Okay, it's this one is another top, and then you have, let me try to move it. Okay, so this is another top and this is another top. So here we have one bottom, second bottom, and actually there is no another one. And you can see the recent weeks, guys, this recent month period, how volatile is the Bitcoin. You can see the candles and the bars are just huge compared to all these weeks, because these bars over here are another week, but during this time actually the Bitcoin was not so volatile. This volatility actually made me create these courses, guys, for the Bitcoin, because it's a great opportunity there in the market. We need to take it. Very simple. When there are easy money to take, don't hesitate to take them and to trade. And a lot of people are saying that this is a balloon that will crash, it will go down. I don't care. If it does, well done. I will sell it and I will show you how we are selling it. If at the next moment it's not very interesting anymore, I will record courses for the thing that is interesting, for the thing that actually is volatile, because there is always something on the market to be traded, and there is always something on the market that you can make profits of. Okay, at the current moment, this is the Bitcoin. We are doing it, and I'm sure you can do it as well. Make sure you learn it all, and if you have any questions, guys, never hesitate to ask me. So the opposite thing, just quickly at the end, if the price reverses and it forms a series of lower highs and lower lows, we will be looking then to sell the Bitcoin, because this would be a downtrend. Let me just go back and I will show you where we are having such a thing. We are having this thing over here quite quickly. You can see two series of lower highs and lower lows, but let me just find the good downtrend that we had with the Bitcoin. I will need to zoom out a little bit to make it faster. Alright, it was right here. You can see this high was lower than this one. Then we had another lower low, another lower high formed, another lower low formed, and so on and so on. So if there is another period like that of the Bitcoin, it's a great opportunity to sell it, because you can see it lost more than 50% of its value during this time in September 2014. So if it happens again, guys, there is the strategy, very same strategy. You just need to change the expert advisor to sell instead of to buy, and there you can go even on the short side, on the selling side. And that's the beauty by using MetaTrader, by using expert advisor, and by using these kind of brokers where you can buy and sell, and you're actually trading on the value of the asset. And that's it, guys. If you have questions, again, I say don't hesitate to ask me right on the dashboard. I'm always there to answer you as quick as possible. Cheers, guys. Bye.